So here's a way to figure out what's causing large file sizes with PowerPoint. Here I have this PowerPoint that's 95 megabytes in size, and we're going to go under the hood of it a bit here to figure this out. So the first thing I'm going to do is make a duplicate copy. I'm going to hit Control C and then Control V to copy the PowerPoint. That way I don't mess up the original. I'm then going to change the file extension. So just rename it, change the extension to .zip or .zip, hit enter again. And now this is a zip file, and we can double click here to explore it, and we're going to double click the PPT folder. And there's two areas you want to look at. Embeddings is going to be all the Excel files that you've copied in here and embedded, and then media is all of the images. So we'll go into the media folder, and here we can click the compressed size to sort this largest to smallest. And you can see here I have images that are 17 megabytes, 11 megabytes, 10 megabytes, and so on. So I want to resize these, of course, to make them smaller, maybe change it to a JPEG instead of PNG. And you can double click any of these files here to also see the image, so you can go fix those and then add them back to your PowerPoint.